Tajmotormedics. I've got a VW Polo here on a 2009 plate, just replacing the rear tail light with a cluster as well, the bulb holder and everything. In the thumbnail you'll see a picture with the bulb numbers and everything as well. Why the reason we're replacing is there's a lot of water inside. As you can see, the condition of the light is very bad, so the indicator bulb's not working and the fog lamp is not working. The new part that we've got is just right here. That's what we're going to be replacing, and then that's the cluster. It's already got a new one. The bulbs are already in there as well. The bulbs you need, position lamp is 380, 382, 5W 581 for the indicator. Now if you did find this video useful and it kind of saved you a lot of money, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also there's a special thanks button as well. You can click on that and there'll be a link for the bulbs as well. You can click on that, and if I show you, let's get to work. So on the inside here you've got this little screw right there. So what you got to do, you got to undo the screw here, but luckily this has got a little strap, so this ain't gonna go nowhere. So if I undo this, once I've undone it, take it out. Okay, all you could do is push the tail light, basically the whole thing with this. So when you take it halfway, just push it forward, so this whole thing would come out just like this. That's it. And then you've got this little plug here. So what you do with the plug, you got a clip, and then you got a clip on the bottom as well. You push both in, and then you take it out. Now you can see this little holder here as well. The plug itself has got a bit of a rust around it, so I'm assuming this cluster here is quite rusty. So let's have a look. You can see the state of it. It is very bad. Okay, so this is good. She's replacing this. I mean, there's a lot of other junk in the car as well. She's already done a lot of work in the car. We haven't done it, but someone else did. I'm going to spray some WD-40 on this. Just going to pause the video for a second. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some WD-40 on the terminals. I'll plug her in. There's only one way the plug would go in. You can see the locator here, which goes around there. So I'll push in, straighten it up, and then inside, that's in. I then line these up. You can see right there. Cross, if I just show you. These bits here, the little clips, they go right in there. So it will secure itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line her up. Now this is an aftermarket. This is an aftermarket one, so it's not a straight fit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the top one in first, push the clip in, and then get the bottom one in. That's it. So before we do anything, we're just going to check the lights. Right, we're going to check the lights, make sure it's all good. First thing first, we're going to do the position lamp. That's lovely, both are working. Then we're going to do the fog light. As you can see there, that's working. And the final one is the indicator. That's working as well. Now the fog light is only one, and the stop lamp as well. That's working as well. The fog light is only one. So basically, you've only got a fog light on this side, and this side has got the reverse. So you've only got one fog light. While I'm putting this back together, we can talk. Now it is quite a simple procedure. If you wanted to do the other side as well, it's really easy. So it's exactly the same procedure, how to remove the rear tail light, replace the bulbs and everything as well. And with regards to the bulb numbers, I will have them in the description for individual ones, whichever ones they are. So it'll be easy for you to shop. And there is an online store as well on Amazon, so you can do check that out as well. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and the special thanks button. Thank you and goodbye.